our first session in this discourse analysis. Well, this course is very relevant to the courses of Introductions to Linguistics, Sociolinguistics, Cross-Cultural Understanding, and the course of a language skill such as for English language skill, reading, listening, writing, and also listening. Those courses can support you in understanding the module, and it is very important to you to read specific objective for each module to make you become more understanding about this course, so that you understand what you want to achieve after reading the module. Well, I present the following material as an introduction for you. Your participation through this forum is urgently required. Enjoy your class and thank you.